back to another video, and today we're going to be playing Piggy Build Mode, my custom map I made, which it's actually a construction site. But first I'm going to try to get some people into my server, so hopefully I get some people into the server. And I'm not that good at Piggy on my computer, but we'll try. Okay, so it's just type in something. Wait, no, wrong. Bleh. No. Okay, hopefully they will come in, so now it's just doing my server. Actually, I think I'm not going to play it. I think I'm just going to give you a tour. Nah, I'm just kidding. But first I am going to give you a tour though, actually. Just so you know, my computer's a touchscreen, so I basically built it kind of on, well, I don't know. I had to build this like 3 times actually, because I kept on, because the other map I made, I kept on accidentally saving it to here, so I had to make this like 3 times. Can I? That's me. My camera might be broken. I think my computer's broken, so there, my camera's not broken anymore. Hey, so this is my map. It's a construction site, if you didn't know. So this area, then we have the red key room. Then if you're wondering what that red thing is, you have 5 seconds to guess in the comments. Yeah. Your 5 seconds is up. It is. Oh, and if you need more time, just pause the video. But anyways, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you guess crane, you're correct. It's a crane. Then you need the dino. This actually has every single door in the game, so one big build mode. Today, a new build mode update's coming out. We're going to be able to add friendly CPUs that kill Piggy, so I'm excited. Now, so hopefully we might actually get also, we also might get it to choose the Piggy for the map, like, so then I can choose, like, you know, the character for a construction site, Billy, so yeah. I'm probably going to do some Piggy series. Anyways, let's play. We're doing bot. We're doing bot. Okay, this. I'm not good at Piggy. Like this. Oh my god. Oh no, I forgot the red key over here. Run! Yeah, just do that. Yep. I'm just gonna open. Oh no. Oh no, it's Piggy. Ring around the rosy. Ring around the rosy. Are you terrible at Piggy? Ah! I'm so dumb. Why did I just do that? Why did I just do that? Oh my god! Ah! Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Why? Why? This gives me nightmares. This gives me nightmares. Are you gonna load, Piggy? Yeah, so guess what? I'm not recording my screen. I'm literally just have my iPad just sitting in front. So I have to play like through the camera or just look over. You know what? I think that's the end of the video because it's not loading in. Anyways, thanks for watching. Goodbye.